All right, stay tuned. Ah, I forgot my keys. All right, take two. Got my keys. What kind of bird is that? Stay two. So today's the day. I'm going to try to do this as easily as I did the other stuff. My nemesis, I'm coming for you. All right. I need to back this up. I need to back the tractor over these things, hook up the hydraulic fluids so that I can press down on these things, get these feet down so that this center bar down here can raise up and latch into this notch here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move the tractor forward maybe 3 inches so that this here, this edge, is over here. So that way when I do lift it up, I'm not lifting it into this. That's my plan. Sticking with it. See how all this goes. Quick update on the pool. Delivery got, the pool was supposed to be today, 11 o'clock. It got delayed because of highway permits. Didn't come through. So hopefully it come through today and we should have the pool on Monday. That's the plan. Anyways. From here, it looks like I'm okay. I'm looking okay, so I think the famous last words. I gotta clean this tractor at one point. All right, these are good. I just tested them. That's one. That's two. They're in there. Okay. All right. So right here, this thing needs to be back up here so that it can go into here. Means these pins need to be removed. Well, that's not good. Hitch pin thing came off. All right, a couple things, WD-40 and a hammer. Luckily I have a whole bunch of those. All right. Ooh, look at how this is bent. Wow. All right, I'm going to put these in a secure spot because they don't go back in. Oh, they do. So I'm going to move the tractor forward another 3 inches and go from there. All right. Now here comes my tricky part. I need to get this base to lift up. Okay, I'm going to move up a little bit. All right. I am not centered, and you have to be exactly centered when you do this kind of stuff. So the tractor needs to be moved more that way, about an inch. That's right, game of inches. The trick is that this needs to stay connected. See, you think you're doing it right, and all of a sudden you're in a worse position. All right, let's keep trying. Getting it in the back's easy. This front spot here. And there you go. My thing is I know what's wrong. Down there, that's good. Down there, not good. That's because the tractor's not straight. I need to get the tractor straight. And boom goes the dynamite. Just had to think about it. So that's in. I can now put the pins in there. That's in. And that's in. So my 3 points of contact are in. As bad as that was, it's probably one of my better efforts. So now I'm going to put the pins in. That's in. All right. Get the hydraulics back in. I don't know if you need to turn off the engine. Get the hydraulics back in. Somebody down below will let me know. But I like doing it. That's two. It's in, it's in, it's in. All right. Hydraulics are in. I think we're good. Hold on. Turn it back on. smokes. That was actually my best effort yet. I may be getting the hang of this tractor stuff. All right. All right, my wife asked me to go dig a hole someplace, so I'm gonna go dig a hole. Come on along. I'll show you how the backhoe works, and I'll come back. I'll give you my final thoughts on it. All right. So don't need the gloves when I'm driving. Don't need this open. That went way better than it usually does. Usually it takes me 3 hours. That took me under an hour. As tedious as it was, who knows, maybe next time it'll be 30 minutes. Yeah, no, fingers crossed. All right, so let's head on down. Get a little over a quart tank gas, so can't do this all day. Drive down, listen to some Cash McCoy. Let's figure out what we're gonna listen to. Let's go with something off his new album. Where is it? All right, let's rock it. Let's do the opening song from the album. I'm back. I feel like I'm back now. I got this gear stuff all okay. I'm doing all right, so let's rock and roll.
Yeah! Still strong. You can't keep a wild man quiet for long. I left the stage with a goodbye grin, but I'm here tonight to raise hell again. I'm back, louder than a freight train rolling back, like a storm that's growing back. Put the record on track, Cash McCoy's riding in, and I ain't looking back. The neon lights shine. This six-string life is a friend of mine. Dust off the hat, light up the band. Gonna shake this bar, make them all understand. The night is young and the blood runs fast. The outlaw's here and the spell won't last. I'm back, louder than a freight train rolling back, like a storm that's growing back. Put the record on track, Cash McCoy's riding in, and I ain't looking back. No goodbyes, just hellos. The fire inside still grows and grows. Raise your glass, let the rafters crack. Tell the world, tell them all, I'm back. I'm back, louder than a freight train rolling back, like a storm
All right, that was pretty good. Time to get out there, start digging. Shouldn't take me long.
Sunshine glow, boots on the floor, let the rooster crow, tractors humming like a beat so sweet, fields keep moving, I can feel the heat, hands get dirty but my heart feels light, every little struggle makes the future bright, raise it up, let the good times roll, country roots with the modern soul. I'm working the land and I'm loving life through the ups, the downs, the day, the night. Clap your hands, let the banjo play. We shine like the sun in a brand new day. Haystack spinning, blue sky wide. Boots keep stomping with a pop beat stride. Calloused hands, but my dreams take flight. Country roots with the stars tonight. Hands get dirty, but my heart feels light. Every little struggle makes the future bright. Raise it up, let the good times roll. Country roots with a modern soul. I'm working the land and I'm loving life through the ups, the downs, the day, the night. Clap your hands, let the banjo play. We shine like the sun in a brand new day. Boots on the ground, sky overhead, planting my dreams where the daylight led. From the dirt to the stars, yeah, watch me go. Country heart with a neon glow. I'm working the land and I'm loving life through the ups, the downs, the day, the night. Clap your hands, let the banjo play. We shine like the sun in a brand new day. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. I'm working the land and I'm loving life through the ups, the downs, the day, the night. Clap your hands, let the banjo play. We shine like the sun in a brand new day. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Hey.
That went extremely well. So Andrea wanted me to clear out a section here of to create a pond. I'm going to extend it just a little bit to over here. I'm going to clear out this space here. But fundamentally, look at it, and I made like a little smooth lip going down here. It's like everything else with this tractor. It took time, it took patience, it took effort. Mostly patience. You notice I didn't say skill. It doesn't really require skill. It requires patience and a willingness to just figure things out. Anyways, putting it on, my best effort yet. I'm hoping I can get it down to 30 minutes at some point. And operating it, you just saw me operate it. It goes very, very well. There's no issues whatsoever. So now I'm just gonna finish doing this, and yeah, if you guys have any questions, just let me know. All right. By the way, this is the Kioti KB2475L. All right, that's it. I can't believe my battery didn't die. It's at 13%, so it's getting close. If you have any questions about the backhoe, let me know. I'm losing my voice. Let me know. I'm going to try to get this hydraulic fluid cable tightened up a little bit. I guess because it hasn't been used in a while, so just the heat, the expansion, cooling, just that kind of stuff. I'm guessing just kind of shifted things around, so I'm just going to see if I can tighten it all up. That's it. At some point in the near future, I need to tune this up. The professionals, the place I bought it from, wanted $1,800 for an oil change, including transportation. So I'm asking around with some local people I'm getting to know and see if anybody knows anybody who can come here, show me how to do this stuff, maybe record it and share with all of you. So I'm hoping to do that in the near future. That's it. I've lost my voice. I can't believe it. Thanks.